Hello everybody, how are you all? I hope you are all doing great, fit and fine, fantastic. I'm also doing great and have a look around of me. So many kites are here. Can you see it properly? I don't know actually. So many kites here. So many kites are flying over there also, and some boys are trying to flying a kite. Can you see it? Because kite festival is around the corner. I mean, kite festival has kicked on, that's why kite festival, that's mean Makar Sankranti. Yes, Makar Sankranti. It has different name, different state in India, and in Telangana it called Pungal festival, and in my state it called Makar Sankranti. And during this festival we make Bhapa pitha. I love to do it, and I love to make it. I love to eat this Bhapa pitha. Bhapa pitha is our local language, and it's called in English. It's called steam cake. Yes, and who are Bengali, they know it very properly. Actually, I love to make it, and my mother-in-law, she can make a different kind of bhapa pitha in a jiffy, as you can say, and her cooking skill is amazing, mind blowing. I think one should learn cooking from her. I think it, and whenever I visit my village, that time I must try to learn something new, cooking recipe from her. I always try to do it. And today my topic is actually listening English. Yes, what is listening English and how it help us to speak English? Is listening English important to speak English? So if you are beginner like me, you should watch this video till the end. I will share with you two topics and two tips, as you can say, sorry, two tips to speak English, and it will help you, it will help you to speak English properly. Within 2 months you can speak English properly, correctly, and I'm sure you will find my video beneficial. So let's get started without delay. So today topic is listening English. What is listening English? What is listen? Listen is something that I believe it deeply because it helped me a lot when I was beginner like you. That time it helped me a lot. I used to listen English a lot. I listened English every day by day, listen English. And you believe or not, after listening English I am being able to speak English. Yes, it happened only for listening English, as you can say, because I have some problem to say. Actually, I have some problem in my eyes to see, because I don't know what's the problem. Actually, if I use mobile phone all the while, then I can feel hard in my eyes, so that's why I can't use mobile phone. Minimum 30 minutes or 40 minutes, it's enough to using mobile phone. After that I can't, actually I can't use mobile phone. So something problem I have, so that's why I listen English every day. I think instead of using mobile phone, I can listen English while working anything, so I can listen English. And you believe or not, it's real, it's truth. I have improved listening English. By listening English I have improved day by day. And when I was students, maybe 8 years, when I was 8 years at 9 years, I remember it, that time actually there was a part in my book. It is Shruti Likhon. Do you know about it? I don't know, but I think it maybe long time past. It that time it was in my book. It was a part in my book. So Shruti Likhon, that's mean you have to listen and you have to write. After listening you have to write. And my teacher told me, if you listen very carefully, you remember all things. No, don't think about it and don't worry. If you listen very carefully, then no need to read over. If you listen anything day by day, then you can improve your listening skill. So since then till now I do it, and I am doing it. It is my habit, as you can say. It will get my habit, as you can say. Every day I listen English, and after listening English, as a result I am being able to speak English. Yes, I don't know so many things, but as you can say, while listening, ever since started listening English, I started to speak English. I started to learn this language. I had a dream, that's it, to speak English, and I think I am improving day by day, and help me. I don't have any tutor, also any practice partner. I am most of time I'm practicing English with myself. And ever since I started talking to with myself, then I feel, then I describing my all things, all daily activity in English. It helped me a lot, and I overcome this problem. That problem was I feel shy to speak English, and I overcome this problem. You believe or not, ever since started only talking with myself, I overcome this problem. So if you are beginner like me, you should do it. If you should listen English very carefully, don't know time pass English. Whenever you listen English, you try to listen English very carefully. And whenever you listen English, you feel that you are listening new word. Yes, if you listen new word, you try to write down then and there, and try to 5 sentences make with them. You try to do it, and I am also did it, and I'm doing it, and I will be doing it to speak English. And second is talking with yourself every day. Everything talking with yourself takes your time, and talking with yourself every day, and I'm sure it will help you to speak English properly, correctly. And that's for all today. See you again. Bye bye. Thank you for watching my video till the end, and don't forget to share my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and help me please. If I'm making mistake while speaking English, please correct me. Thank you. See you again.